Hello everyone. Today I wanted to show you a surprisingly really cool product. This is an Elikliv 4K digital microscope. Now at first glance this just kind of looks like a general inspection microscope device, but for $179 you really get quite a lot here. I'm honestly really impressed by this product overall. So let's start off. First off, you have a microscope inspection camera. It has a 4K screen. It has a monitor output, so you can connect this to a TV or other 4K device. It has nice little light bars here, so you can adjust the lights here and one light in the microscope. So the light on the microscope gets adjusted right here, you can see. And the light bar below adjusts these two additional lights, which can be angled however you choose. Outside of that, which one thing is super surprising, is this thing has a battery, which means you can literally unplug it down here. Where is it? And it still works. So you can literally bring this to the playground. You can bring it anywhere with you. And the bottom lights here, they don't work, but the main one, the microscope itself, still does. So you could bring this to a playground or any place. You could look at bugs. You could, just use it to inspect something in the field. You don't have to have it plugged in. This is really just totally just kind of surprised me. I unplugged it, was moving it to the next room, and the device was still on. This just makes it so much cooler. So let me plug it back in here. As you'll see, the additional lights immediately turn on. Outside of that, also has a remote control. You can zoom in, do various functions. You pretty much do everything. You can take a picture. You can see capturing with the remote. So this device, its capability is really unlike anything I expected. You could have this hooked up to a giant TV, give a presentation, show something in great detail. You can see you can adjust the focus by turning the microscope. You can adjust the height. It takes seconds to put it together. And just considering this is just $179, just looking at this product, 25 years ago, this would have been absolutely revolutionary. As I said, you can bring this anywhere. It's light, it's small, it's powered by USB. It literally has a battery, so you don't even need to have a power adapter with you. It's really hard to overstate just how much cool stuff there is in this one device. You can look at obviously many different things. My finger, the quality seems quite good. See, the only issue I would think is you could probably have some better lighting, but that's something you could add by yourself on the side. But just all in all, I really just want to make a quick video showing to someone who is just looking for a general microscope that's not too expensive, something that could be either fun with the kids or good in the shop or good in the workplace for pretty much any purpose. This thing really hit it out with the ballpark. I mean, what kind of junk these days you can get for $179? And so yeah, those are my 2 cents. I think this is a really interesting product, especially for the price range. It can be used in just so many different applications. You can see the screen. I still haven't taken the screen cover off, so you can see those letters. But yeah, and obviously the screen itself, there's tons of options and settings. You can calibrate everything. It's all fairly good quality. So yeah, let me know what you think. It also comes with a UV filter and a light cone cap, which kind of prevents the light from the actual microscope here from shining down. So it's kind of like a little, you can see like a little hood. So yeah, just super impressed. I really just kind of thought this would be a little boring thing to take out of the box and set up, but I found it very interesting. Hope you find the same. Like and subscribe if you found this helpful.